masabi ko, kung baguhan na kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe my channel, Diggs Channel. Ito lang masabi ko, dalawang saludo, dalawang upload, you know.
Hey guys, good morning. This is Diggs Channel. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a Mitsubishi Pajero. So customers complain that if they have a hums, they have a sounds and not good. So Diggs Channel will show to what is the problem. So I will check the under chassis, this one. So this channel will oh, they have a leaking. The shock absorber. This is a front shock absorber. You see? They have a leaking. You see the damper? So this is the cause of the hums they cannot pump. So tok tok like this one. So this is the cause. So this is a front shock absorber, the right side. Also this one, the left side I will check. Boy, boy. So leaking.
Leak?
So this one, this is the cause of leaking.
A few moments later.
So this one also, the shock absorber. So the rear shock absorber, they have leaking. So need to change this one. Okay. Need to two left and right. Also the front shock absorber. This one damaged. Yeah, this is the complaint of customers. So this channel will one of the technician who repair this one. So they complain that they have sounds. Also they have if we go the hums like this one, like this one. So I see now the front shock absorber. So this is this channel. If you to learn this things, hello, approve this channel.
You know.